So we got approached recently by two of our traders who were looking for risk bumps. So one of our traders was looking for a bump from 25,000 to 50,000, and one of our traders was looking for a bump from 7,500 to about 15,000. These traders are at different stages of their careers. The former has been with us for quite a bit and is a seven-figure trader, and the other one's coming up the curve. And so we're sitting there as a firm trying to figure out, should we approve these risk bumps? And one of the things we're concerned about for approving these risk bumps is we don't want to put our traders in a position where they do too much damage and a trade or a day causes them trauma causing them to take a couple of steps back. But we certainly want to push our traders, we want to encourage our traders to push themselves to trade bigger. So you get in this flux where you're trying to figure out what the right line is. And I think a lot of traders at home who are watching this video are trying to figure out, hey, I'm having a little bit of success, should I bump up my intraday stop? Should I bump up the risk that I'm taking on certain trades? Should I put more capital into my account and risk more? And how do I go about doing that? A really good test for you to be thinking about is you want to push yourself, but you don't want to put yourself in a position of trauma. And the way to measure that as you're in the middle of the trade is if you bump yourself up and you're in a trade, are you doing things differently? Are you cutting losses earlier than you normally would? Are you cutting winners normally than you would? Are you entering in a way that's different than you would? Essentially, when you're having success at lower stop loss numbers, when you bump yourself up, you should be doing the same thing, just a little bit bigger. So if you were holding $5,000, 5,000 shares before, now you're holding 7,500, you still want to be entering and exit the same way. If you are at $50,000 as an intraday stop loss and you're putting on size and your heart starts to really beat, that's information for you that you want to be thinking about. Just like if you're sitting there in a trade and trading is boring to you, you're probably at the wrong size. So, and another really good test for those who are trying to bump themselves up is have 10 days of positive results and bump yourself up 20%. So I get that question a lot. We experience challenges like that on our desk with some of our better guys. Those are two anecdotes just from this week. I hope that helps. Talk to you guys soon. Trade well. Welcome to The Winning Trader. The number one factor in whether you trade profitably is what? It's whether you are trading setups that have trading edge. We recently surveyed our trading community as to what would help them the most. The response was overwhelmingly universal. You were most interested in learning trading strategies that you could implement profitably. Or said another way, to solve the problem faced by most traders of lacking setups with trading edge. So with that, here at SMBU, today we introduce The Winning Trader. You will learn 10 trading strategies taught to and traded daily on our professional proprietary trading desk in New York City. Here are the 4 steps to how SMB will teach you these strategies. 1, we will hold an online live trading class sharing each setup weekly. 2, for the following week, you will archive a playbook trade that we teach you how to do of this setup daily. 3, during our daily mentoring sessions, to which you will have complete access, we will review these setups from that day's trading. 4, you will have complete access to all of our trading tools that will help you spot these setups during market trading and follow along with us trading them in real time. Take the first step towards becoming a winning trader. Enter your email here to learn more about The Winning Trader.